Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, I'm just hoping that General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, when he's coming to Gauteng to combat some crime here, and be busy with the cartels and the syndicates. Ngicela please abe busy no-Brigadier Bongani Gininda. Hayi ngeke. I even want to have a talk with him and be like, no, ngicela ungamkhohlwa. Because the fact that Paul O'Sullivan is involved in SAPS and the cartels and he knows them. Most of the cartel people like General Shedrack Joseph Asbi and Brigadier Gininda got this job through O'Sullivan. This promotion of being a brigadier, then it means he can actually look at Brigadier Gininda's life, for example. And there was a time where he said in his speech, please go to that speech, last day July, where he said, there is a brigadier. These were his words. There is a brigadier ongekho right in Gauteng. I was just like, awusho Brigadier Gininda kodwa guys. But I guess wayesha manje nje aku-SAPS la are involved vele in the cartel. But ngeke into kaBrigadier Gininda guys needs to be looked at. There's something dark there going on. He's just coming off as a dark person, this guy. How can someone to take a case like this that is meant to be a high-profile case, but it's not treated as such, but it's gotten away with it in a way? I'm just like, no, untouchable. We're gonna keep on making the noise. We can't go around like this. Of a SAPS employee, oh my gosh, he's the best. No, he's not. No, Nicholas Gininda is not the best cop in South Africa, please. People have been hiding things. We are tired of hiding criminals that still work. How is still even employed at SAPS. Guys, please come at 8. We have a live, on Sundays, a science mistake. This is our 13th live now, if I'm not mistaken. But we have a live this evening at 8. Please, guys, Izansu are busy and helping out the Mayuas to get justice for their family member, Usenzo Mayu, who was dearly loved by his family. Manje is treated like nje akazazaphili. Okay, Limam treats like he's never existed. It's just like, I don't even watch the case anymore. I don't even watch the proceedings there at the High Court in Pretoria. I don't care. Who even says things like that? I would rather like Ntule, guys, because we know very well this is not right. How Kelly goes on and be saying stuff in my podcast, I don't know how she does it. So we will continue this evening just to voice out everything that concerns the Mayuas getting justice, basically, because this is not right. And we like how Untanzi is going on there without giving up, basically fighting for his life. With hey, guys, I never analyze sense. People can't force me. No, Urata has decided to say no, actually, I'm convicted. I don't even know. And it's not gonna happen. Not on our watch. There again. Here's Lalabantu, since Lalobaloy. Abantaba crooked. People who are rogue. People who are criminals. Low business. Oh my gosh. No. We're not doing it anymore. Lalabantu. And this evening we need to continue sikhulume ngobaloyi, because ubaloyi lies a lot, because angithi he must actually also in a way is defending Brigadier Gininda right now and painting a picture of Brigadier Gininda is this really great person when he's not. And Untanzi is actually exposing Brigadier Gininda. Just past week, that's all he was doing. Actually, he says Untanzi did make a confession. Yes, Untanzi is like, no, I didn't. I didn't even meet Ubab Gininda. I'm like, that person is not even that old to Gininda, actually. For Baba, umuntu ongekho right kanje, dead rogue, top cop. So amaphoyisa amakhulu kusho Untanzi It's iphoyisa elikhulu, angithi uyiphoyisa elikhulu. Then why is he lying? Uyibona leyo nto leyo. So manje sekuqhamuka nento zama-confession ukuthi no, actually the confessions are not the ones. Yabona guys, and Ubaloyi is just left defeated and stunned like, oh my gosh, into zamanje ayihlangane. And uBrigadier Gininda is the one that actually wrote this version for me. And manje akusahlangana ngisazi uNtanzi uyangiqeda in life, uvela ngigqibe and be like, please stop with the lies, Baloyi. Stop it. You know, your friend didn't tell you the right things. I'm the one who's telling my story. This is my story. Why is it telling you what happened, Brigadier Gininda, when he lied to you? And now you didn't check properly with those lies. So that's because at the end of the day, lies has short legs. And then what must happen, man? Just as come by these lies, they can't move. And ngaleso sikhathi njoba enoGininda uNtanzi, uGininda is actually showing him pictures of forced ukuthi wena lo, you have a beard in. Hayibo. And then when did you make a confession then? Hi guys, guys, Ubaloyi needs to stop actually. Finally, I give up Ubaloyi at some stage. It doesn't matter, guys, ukuthi Ubaloyi wanikezwa malini. I'm sure he's also tired by now. Oh. Yes, if uBrigadier Gininda could, ngabe wamfaka i-gold tooth uNtanzi. You understand? On the day outside the mine, let's put the gold tooth. Because honestly, Utanzi is just like, I've never had a gold tooth. Why are people forcing me? You know? And that whole thing, yokuthi ene lo rapado lo phoyisa lelo okuthi uNtanzi had to make a confession before him kuGininda uthi do that confession when uNtanzi is like, those are lies, Baloyi. Amanga lapho. And also uNtanzi sekushoda ukuthi athi kuBaloyi wawukhona. Because phela this is my story that I'm telling. Mina ngiyakutshela ukuqala uGininda never told you the truth. So I'm telling you mina what happened on that day. Or those days basically leading to my arrest and the whole thing. They actually arrested the wrong person, these people. So you can't tell me, oh, Utanzi was just like, I'm not backing down. And he's not backing down. And bayamtshela uRamosipile uyamtshela. And also advocates Charles Mnisi came out to say, "Bra, please stop with those things. Isn't there ngekho lezo?" And uRamosipile is just like, it's been 10 weeks. What to 10 weeks is a bit much. Then to go 6-7 weeks. But uRamosipile 10 weeks now. Tanzi is tired. And how uRamosipile came out this past week is that when Baloyi, why are you doing this to Tanzi is that you want to tire him. You want to see him tired as she's in the right, because you're busy pressing, wanting information that doesn't exist, because Gininda told you a certain story and you want Utanzi to believe that story because you are putting your own veggies and putting words in his mouth. So this is like, oh yes, yeah, Bab Gininda, that's what happened. And it's like, please, Wena, I'm not backing down. That's not what happened. You're telling me how it happened. Even outside the mine there. When Brigadier Gininda came to show me pictures, this is what went down. You were not there. So you must just know that tomorrow is a Utanzi standing up for himself ngale confession. Yabona manje stop some confession. And Utanzi, even who accused number one, those confessions were actually forced onto them. Babesha to confess, vuma. Like how Brigadier Gininda at some stage offered uNtanzi 3 million. uNtanzi uyasho ukuthi vele lo ngithi angifune imali yakho. Mina ngiyahola kahle ngiyasebenza. I think at the time uNtanzi wayeyitshela ukuthi you know what, I will come out of jail. Ukuyibona leyo nto le because vele mina ngizange ngibulalise ngithi usenzo meyo at the end of the day. You are enforced to Brigadier Gininda uzothola 3 million. Angithi it's the whole thing yokuthi ngizokunonusela ngalo 3 million so that you start talking. Guys, it's just wrong in another level. I'm just like Brigadier Gininda. How would they do it? I don't know. And uNtanzi said it. We'll see to it. For your rot, you actually 9 rotten in jail. Guys, I still see things turning around in this case. Just as much as manje bayazip, Bapis no Julius no Faninkos, instead of be like Emadlanga. Awukuze ke nawe Brigadier Gininda uzokutshela kahle what happened. No, that's all I want. Hayi madla ngiyasebenza guys isemsebenzini. To think ukuthi I used to feel ukuthi ad hoc actually does work. Like I said yesterday in another video before this one, ukuthi uke wabona bayeboshwe ad hoc. That's just my thing. Ngicela abantu baboshwe. Guys, futhi if it's in the hands of justice, we are so tired of it. People must just be arrested. And uyambona ukuthi uRatha manje is learning other things now. He's just like, mina ngisafuna actually ukuba involved in this thing sengimdala. This rogue situation namanga, this is dark. Like kuyibolele yodwa leyo. But it's just like, oh, I'm in it. So phela nami ngathola something. What must I do? Just as much as this past week he's been the tip ukuthi yabona uBaloyi, I'm just gonna put him under the truck again. Not even ibus. Ngeke. Unjalo ulapho manje, he's just like Baloyi, no yabo. But I'm just like lo baba naye, he's just as dark. That's just my thing. Angazi mina how do you live such a dark life mawumuntu uvuke nje kusena manje uBaloyi uphila leyo mpilo futhi akayibona into wrong. It's just like anginandaba. I'm not gonna give up even when the defense is standing up and be like, hayibo bhuti, why do you go on like this with Ntanzi? Hi my lord, I don't know what the defense is talking about. My learned colleagues, they just not know this is how it's supposed to be. But no, please, sakubona we see right through you. Unalimaka unamanga wena, unamanga like unamanga. So qedelela ebusuku guys at 8 p.m. please nize ngi live. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel guys. Iyakhula le channel, and the channel Moya's it's been struggling like you've never seen. Like not struggling at some stage, and it was demonetized this channel. I was just like, I'm not giving up. I was like, Ntanzi me last day around March, April, I was like, Ntanzi, when they sent me another email to say that we are monetizing you again. What was nice with that is that they went from the videos of 2024 and paid me for those videos, because they were just like, Sam has been through a lot and she hasn't given up. And nabo basho YouTube, what's I give up? Continue. When they demonetized me in 2024 around April, and then I never gave up, yes. But also it wasn't even about me. Remember I said it was mostly about the Senzo Mayor, because this channel was just concentrating on the mayor. I was just like, no, this is not even about money. Business Senzo Mayor case. I'm not even trying to back down, and that's exactly what happened. Wangisiza uNkulunkulu wami wathi lalela lo mntana abantu akaqhubeke nale channel. It wasn't easy, but I haven't given up. And always said also in this channel ukuthi mawufuna usizo for your channel to pick up, ngikhona ngizonginceda with the advertising for free. Azanginayo nanenkinga guys. And people manje bayenza i-YouTube abasenankinga, and i-YouTube guys is so saturated. You can still come now unaso space ukuyivulele yakhe i-YouTube channels, khona thina singakusiza khona la kule channel I can help you. You can also watch my other channels futhi kuningi ya eMzansi kanye no News Galore for days. Thank you again guys for always loving me. Nami nginthanda over. So bonani ebusuku ke at 8 p.m. in our life.